Today I'll be showing you guys how to use the software Quizziz, which is very similar to Kahoot, but the kids can access it online. They can access it at different times. There's kind of a lot more freedom and variability on how you can make your quizzes. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick walkthrough. I was a big user of Kahoot, and I just recently started trying out Quizziz. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a few things. So you can actually log on using your Google account. You don't have to make a separate username, which I really appreciate. So as long as your Google is connected to your browser, you can go ahead and log on using your Google. So that's what I did. You can find quizzes that other people have made, and you'll see here there's tons of different quizzes that they have here. For me, I teach 3 kind of unique classes, so I usually make my own quizzes. So just like Kahoot, you're allowed to make your own quizzes by clicking here on Create New Quiz. If you already have a quiz, you can host it as homework and assign it where the kids log on to the code and everything at home, and it tells you who has actually completed the quiz. And you can also have it as a live game like you would do a Kahoot in class. So anyways, you can create your own questions. You can even print the quizzes and kind of give it as a quiz in class if you'd like to. You can have, this is what I really like about Quizziz that you can't do for Kahoot yet, on the free version at least. You can actually have pictures as the answers. So I asked, which is a timber rattlesnake, and they have to choose based on these pictures which one is a timber rattlesnake. It's this one. So anyways, I thought this was kind of nice, because it's basically like giving them the freedom to practice Kahoots at home and do that on their own time. So you can also go over here to Create New Quiz. So we'll make another snakes quiz, even though I already have one. So you can go over here to Create New Quiz. You can add an image. You can actually search from existing questions that they have on a variety of topics, or you can create your own. So as you're typing your question here, let's see. You can actually see it appearing over here. So this is what the student would see on their own device, or what would be shown on the screen. And you can come up with your own answers. If you guys know anything about snakes, you'll know that the milk snake is not a venomous snake. It actually mimics the venomous coral snake that we don't have here in Kansas. So then you can choose the right answer, press save. You can even tag state standards if you like. So again, this is what would show up on the student's device over here. You can even select where you can have multiple answers, and they can select all correct answers to get it correct. So honestly, although I love Kahoot and I've always used Kahoot, Quizziz offers a lot more opportunity for kind of challenging questions, new and diverse types of questions, a variety of questions. So Quizziz is pretty cool that way. So like I said, you can, we're just going to exit there and not save that. You can assign it as homework. You can play a live game or a solo game where you basically input your... There you go. So there's lots of different options for that. So that's my explanation of Quizziz. I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks. Bye.